Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to access cPanel on IONOS. Now, the first thing I want you to do is just log in to your account. So choose this email right here, and then I want you to enter your password and just go ahead and log in to IONOS first, okay? Enter your password and then go ahead and click on next. Now, once you're logged in, here at the top, you should see an option that says menu. Okay, I want you to click on it. And if they redirect you to this page, just choose hosting. If not, come here, choose hosting from this top menu. And then they'll redirect you to this page right here. And I want you to go ahead and scroll down until you see web space. Click on use web space. Okay, now if I click on this, it will actually redirect me to our cPanel. Right? This will load up in just a moment. You can go ahead and access everything. And that is how to access cPanel in IONOS.